If you're interested in seeing how I make these delicious barbecue chicken wings, please stay tuned to the video. Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, you guys, I will be showing you how I do my barbecue chicken wings in the air fryer. So I've already washed and cleaned my chicken wings. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. So first I will be adding some olive oil to my chicken wings. And this is just to help the seasoning to coat and stick better to the chicken wings. Okay. So this is my dry rub mixed seasoning powder. And there is a video on my channel seeing how I do my dry rub mix seasoning powder. Okay. And then I will also be adding some of my green seasoning marinade. And for this marinade as well, there's also a video on my channel showing how I make this green seasoning marinade. I want my chicken wings to have flavor. I don't want it to just be so bland. So you know I have to add my green seasoning marinade to that. So I'm gonna get my hands in there, get everything coated nicely. Okay, so now that my chicken is seasoned, I'm just gonna let this rest for a half an hour. Then I'm gonna come back and show you guys the next step. So guys, now that our chicken wings have been sitting for a half an hour, now we're gonna put them inside the air fryer. And I'm gonna try to put as much as I possibly can. So this is my T-Fal air fryer. So once it's finished on 10 minutes for the first side, then I'm gonna come back and show you guys what it looks like. So while our chicken wings are in the air fryer, I'm gonna go ahead and make our homemade barbecue sauce. So in here I have my store-bought barbecue sauce. But the thing is, you guys, the store-bought barbecue sauce, most of them I don't like it straight from the bottle. Most of them I'll have to flavor it myself and put my own kick and my spin to it. So here I said I have some barbecue sauce. I will be adding some brown sugar to this, also some white vinegar. I like to pep up my barbecue sauce, some ketchup, and then some habanero pepper sauce. Just a couple of drops. And then I'm gonna whisk this together. And this is gonna be our sauce for our chicken wings. Our barbecue sauce for our chicken wings. So then once our chicken wing gets its first 10 minutes, we're just gonna coat it with this barbecue sauce, and then we're gonna flip it, let the other side have 10 minutes, and then we are gonna coat that side with the barbecue sauce again. Okay, so we're just gonna wait for our chicken wings to be ready before we coat it. So yes guys, our chicken wings have been in the air fryer for 12 minutes. And this is what it's looking like. I'm using my T-Fal air fryer. And I've had this air fryer, guys, for several years, and it works really well. Like, so far I have no issues with it. So T-Fal is a really great brand, especially when it comes on to air fryer. So I'm just gonna coat the wings on this side, and then I'm gonna flip them. Gonna flip them over to the other side and let it air fry for a couple of minutes. Just coat them really nicely. And then we're just gonna flip them over, let it go on the other side for about 12 minutes. And then now I'm gonna come back, see what it looks like, and then take it from there. The air fryer is a really great and healthy way to fry your food. Instead of putting it in oil, the air fryer does a really good job of just So now that we have flipped over our chicken wings, we're just gonna put it back in for another couple of minutes. So guys, our chicken wings have been in the air fryer for about 12 minutes. So I'm just gonna coat it with some barbecue sauce. Smells so good. So this is what they're looking like. Really nice. Just flip it over. Put it back in for about 1 minute. Okay, so we're just gonna flip it over, put it in for 1 more minute, and then this set is all done. So there you have it, guys. Our barbecue chicken wings are all done. It's looking really beautiful. So I'm gonna plate some out for you guys and bring you in for a close-up. So there you have it, guys, our air fry barbecue chicken wings. So I'm just gonna garnish it with a little green onion. Guys, it tastes wonderful. Oh my goodness, it tastes so good. So there you have it, guys. So if you have stayed with me this far, thank you guys for sticking and staying. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more cooking videos like this. So until next time, take care and I'll see you in the next video.